What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and ADA. We're going to be looking at them on the one-day time frame. Right now, Bitcoin's up about 5%. We're at 66,111, so looking good for Bitcoin right here. We're getting a little bit of follow-through, getting some good volume coming in. So now, guys, we're basically just challenging our previous all-time high here. If we can get up above that, it's going to be blue sky breakouts. We're going to target around $75,000 to $80,000. See what we can do as we explore those levels to the upside there if we can get there. So main thing today, we're going to be watching this volume. If we take a look at our cipher, VWAP nice and strong to the positive there. We're at 20.99. We had a nice green cipher dot that came in here. Money flows in the green, so no problems there. Relative strength at 65, curling up. And the nice thing about it is, guys, we have plenty of room now to go up to these higher levels. Our relative strength's not up around 90 or anything right now, so we're not overcooked. We have plenty of room if this volume can continue and the buying pressure can continue. So if it doesn't continue, what we would want to hold, in my opinion, would be about 63,454 is going to be the first area. Then it's going to be back around that $60,000. Okay, so for Bitcoin, we don't want to overcomplicate things right now, guys. We just want to if you're in positions, just let them ride right now. You want to let the trend do the work for you. And that's not financial advice, but for people who are in positions, that's at least what I'm doing right now, is just letting this trend work for me. Okay, so Bitcoin right now, everything's looking good. We'll have to see where the daily candle close is, but I want to see if we can get up over top of this with some volume. Our volume right now, we're at 12.60K. Average is 9.9, so we're already, and it's early in the day, having good volume here. So we just want to see that continue to the upside. The next one we're going to get into is Ethereum. And guys, let me know what coins you're in. I would love to hear that down low. And if you've just been riding this, if you've just been playing this, I would love to hear your positions. All right, so for Ethereum right now, we're at 4,765. We're up 3.21%, so that's looking good, up above our 50 or 200 moving average. We're getting a green cipher dot coming in here. Money flows in the green. VWAP to the upside, that's all looking good. Relative strength at 69 right now. As we know, we can get as high as 85 to 95 for the relative strength, so we can have more room to potentially go up and try to challenge this $5,000 for Ethereum. I'm not overcomplicating Ethereum for myself. I'm just sitting back and letting the trend work right now. So you can just see this trend line, just a rough one there. We just want to see it continue up this trend line here. See if we can get to that $5,000 and test it out. Overall, looking good for Ethereum, guys. Just want to let it keep running here. And you know how ETH does. ETH's one that it can crawl up like this, and then all of a sudden you just have this stick to the upside and buying pressure comes in and it's just moon. So, you know, I've been in the space for 4.5, 5 years, and that's when Ethereum runs, it runs harder than about anything. So that's going to be ETH, guys. Really watch those areas. Next one we're going to get into is Litecoin. In the last Litecoin video I did, Litecoin was at 196. We were talking about longer term, but got a lot of hate. Everybody saying Litecoin's a dead coin. And guys, we're up 8%. I was talking about my position. I got back in at 190. I'm still riding it at 218. There's plenty of money that you can make off Litecoin. So for all the people who are always hating on it, we're about to get a golden cross right now. We're getting some good volume coming in. I just don't understand it, guys. I mean, I don't really hate on any coin. There's coins I don't like, but to watch videos about a coin you don't like, either you got too much time on your hands or I don't know. But I think Litecoin, it's a legacy coin. It's been around a long time. It's given me good gains, and I think it's going to be a strong performer here at the end of the year. So we're going to see if this can continue. Right now, relative strength at 65. If we take a look at the VWAP, we're up around 12.67. Money flows in the green. Everything looking good right now, guys. We're just going to have to go up and challenge $232 is going to be the next area. So if you're here for Litecoin and you like Litecoin, even though people are hating on it, smash up that like button, guys. Let me know you're here for Litecoin. All right, so next one we're going to get into ADA. Another one I really like. People have been hating on it. It's been going down, whatnot, and sideways. And guys, I'm smelling an opportunity for ADA. We're up above our 200 moving average. And remember, none of this is financial advice. We're up above our 200 moving average. We had a green dot come in right here off support. Green buy dot, relative strength at 47, moving to the upside. What we need to see is volume. Okay, but the nice thing about ADA, what I look for at least, when you're watching these downtrends, basically the volume's going to start heavy and then it'll start to diminish. And when the volume starts to get lower, that's when I start looking for a buying opportunity, because most likely the trend's going to flip and you're going to ride this back to the upside here. And basically ADA, when it moves, it makes explosive moves. So what I'm looking at here is basically if we can get back to even all-time high, we're looking at a potential 53% gain just to get back up here, even if it was just a double top and we didn't go over top of that. But you can see these moves when they come in, they're huge. So ADA is definitely one I'm looking at, guys. I'm riding a little position in ADA right now, and we're going to see what can happen. But we're going to look at, I'd say roughly about 215 is going to be an area. Another tough area about 232. Then we're going to look up to around 250. Support, I want to hold 190 is what we're going to be looking at here for ADA. So if you're here for ADA, let me know down low, guys. I'll keep throwing it in. God bless you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Take care, my friends.